Alright, what's going on everybody? We're starting the video inside today. We are installing some Auxbeam headlights today. Look pretty cool, kind of like in that gold there. Yeah, here's got the connectors for it. Take these out. Basically, it comes with the headlight, which goes to this little plug here, and then from the plug, it plugs into like a little. I'm pretty sure that's like the ECU, if you want to call it that, but. Yeah, these things have some big fans on there too for cooling. So let's plug this in. And then grab this other one, which I just plugged in. So yeah, we're ready to install these. Let's go out to the van. Oh, I also forgot to mention, these are for a 9004 bulb, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what I ordered. But yeah, they offer it in a bunch of different sizes, so check what size headlights your car uses and then should be good to go. We've also got another sticker to throw on, so we'll do that too. Alright, let's take a look at what the stock headlights look like. I believe one of them is still burnt out. Yeah, that one's not working, so take a look at this one here. As you can see, it's kind of yellowy. It's not super bright. If I go down here, I mean, it'll do the job, but it's nothing crazy. Alright, ignore my zip-tied battery for now. But yeah, I'll start on this side just because this will be a little easier to get to and film. Alright, first thing is to unclip this headlight. Probably gonna want a flathead for this. So basically what you want to do is squeeze both sides of this, and then you're trying to get this plastic piece above this little, whatever the middle part, that's what's holding it on. So let's see if we can't do this with one hand. But great. There we go. That's what the plug looks like right there. Now to get this old bulb out of here, we're just going to twist on this little thing here, and then that ring will pop out. And then you should just be able to pull this assembly all the way out. There we go. Alright, now you're going to want to grab one of your lights with the plug already connected. And as you can see, this big plug here is going into that big plug. Alright, and just like that, we got the new one in. As you can see here, this thing just clips in, kind of like the old one did. You just push it, and then for this, what you want to do is basically just shove it in there and rotate it around a little bit until it sinks into place, and then just push it in. It's basically just a pressure fit because the ring that normally holds this in doesn't fit over the cooling fan. So, but if you just push it in good, it's not going anywhere, so it'll be fine. And then I'm probably just going to tuck these wires out of the way too. Yeah, all set. Let's move to the other light. All Alright guys, we just got both the lights in. Let's give it a test. Look at that. You can hear you got some little fans on there. But yeah, those things look so much better. It just makes the car feel newer. And then, I mean, it's hard to tell right now, but we've got a real decent light output. I'm gonna do some more clips of these tonight when I get back from class, but let's put the high beams on at least. Yeah, like if you're looking at those are pretty darn bright. And I mean, I don't think these headlights cost a lot either, maybe like 50 bucks or something. Definitely recommend upgrading. So yeah, you'll see some night footage in a second. Alright guys, back again. It's about 11 o'clock right now. And just got back from class, and so I'm gonna test out these headlights. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's actually kind of brighter than I thought it would be. These things, I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but like it's almost like having like a LED light bar or something. Yeah, you can hear the little fans going. Yeah, just thought I'd show you a little nighttime view. I guess I'll do a view from inside the car too. Yeah, so definitely not gonna have issues seeing at night anymore. Yeah, these things are really nice. So, nice job, Auxbeam. They didn't sponsor this or anything, but it's a good product. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in to this little episode, and see you in the next one.